Stuck in the manifestation dip and what to do about it. All these books point to it, right? The Neville Goddard collection, this is GPS coordinates, but it's not the destination. Reality transurfing, not the destination. Parallel universes of self, not the destination. The power of now, not the destination. And becoming supernatural by Joe Dispenza, not the destination. It is all coordinates to heaven, but none of them will take you there, and none of them is that place. And that's the problem with the manifestation industry. And this is the second piece of the manifestation puzzle. And we have a few more pieces to collect the next following days. So please subscribe to the channel and follow me for the next couple of videos. What is going wrong if your manifestations are not showing? That's what I'm trying to answer in this video, and it will only take a few minutes, so stick with me. If it's not working, you're not working. We already know that. So if you comment on my video, but I've been doing this for 5 years, 6 years, it's still not showing up. What is still not showing up? You're still not showing up. What will happen the day where you will tell me it worked? And you will answer me, that will be the day where it showed up. You are as attached to external reality as you were when you were negatively attached. And I call that positive attachment to a manifestation routine. And if you remember, maybe you've had piano lessons or you've seen this metronome in life. You take the arm and you put it to the side and it starts clicking. Have you seen one of those in your life? If you can imagine, like on the one side of your manifestation, you are negatively attached. It's not showing, I'm lacking, I'm doubting myself. And then you learn about manifestation and you follow my videos and you start doing all these things. You start ignoring reality as if that's the right solution. You start ignoring reality and you start knowing it intellectually, but you still are attached to the outcome. Yeah, now I will keep on knowing it until it happens. But you only have one now moment. You only have one perception with consciousness. Consciousness cannot be in two places. You cannot believe yourself to have blue hair and to have no hair. You can only be in one place. So when Neville tells you to get to know it, feeling the wish fulfilled, what does that mean? It means giving yourself the fulfillment. It does not mean feeling fulfilled until external reality fulfills you. Right? So being on that side, it's better than being on the negative side, but it's still not in the middle ground of silence, where you just know yourself to be the thing. So it's not when will it show? That's not the affirmation. That's not the knowing you will have in your system. It is, I already have it. If you comment on my video, I know your perception. You just told me. It has been 6 years. It's not showing. And I'm not trying to be harsh. I'm not trying to be clever about it. I'm not trying to, I really mean this. And because a lot of my clients, they are all very high end. A lot of them make a lot of money. And if you want to work with me, link is in the description. But all of these people have been studying manifestation for these books, right? For 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, 40 years, right? All of their life. The final puzzle is that last final step where instead of you are getting it, you are knowing it. So instead of a huge routine, instead of clearing your chakras or childhood traumas or shadow work or inner child work, whatever, right? Simply know it to be true today. Not to get anything. That's manifesting a version of you that's trying to get it. If it's you being reflection, which it is, you can look at it very logically, right? And you can just see, so if I'm doing an exercise, waking up thinking it's not here yet, I will continue to be more fulfilled to get it, then that's the reflection. The reflection is you doing stuff to get it. Can you see that? It's hard to explain in words, but it's a subtle little nuance between getting it and knowing you have it. So when you wake up tomorrow, if you have it, just tell yourself you have it. Wake up in the morning. I know myself to be these things. And what will I have to do to get it? Well, what will you have to do if you had it? Nothing. So whatever you decide to do, go to work, do things, they have nothing to do with you having it already. The feeling of the wish fulfilled is having it, not getting it. So you will never have to look outside. And if you then ask, so, but I already feel fulfilled. Well, you don't, because then you would not be looking. So you'll have to completely not ignore that, but accept outside reality as dying. It is simply a reflection of you. And try to tune in on that knowing for just 24 hours, 48 hours, a couple of days, and you will realize how fast your world will change. Because it's a subtle nuance, it's a final little last step, but it's a huge difference in terms of reality creation. It's the difference that makes all the difference. It is just knowing yourself to be. It's the law of knowing. It's not the law of assumption. It's not the law of attraction. It's the law of knowing. You only have one reality, one you, one moment. What are you decided on being? Well, I would like to have this. No. Make a list. What am I trying to manifest today? Right? And this is a trick question, because then you will make a list and I will tell you, yes, you can't have those because you're trying to manifest it. And then you will move these things to the other part of the list, the other end of the list, where it says, I already have those. Right? You see the difference? If you wake up tomorrow and I asked you to make a list, what are you trying to manifest currently? And you wrote the thing you're wanting on the list, you are not embodying it. You're not embodying it. It's not intellectually feeling fulfilled. It is the knowing as well as you know your age. Know it to be true. Let it go. You created that. And your system, God, consciousness, Allah, knows what you want. That knowing is so very powerful. So know yourself to be what you would like to be for the next couple of days. Not know yourself to be the one trying to get it. Huge difference, small nuance. Hopefully you can do it. I think you can do it. I believe in you. Okay? Talk to you soon. In a few days, another piece of the puzzle. Get out of here. Bye.